And right now we go outside, a live look right here from Jasper Highlands. A very pretty shot right there and a very pretty day today. Let's go to David Glim right now for the latest on this forecast. Hello, sir.
Yeah, it's hard to believe technically it's still winter. Yeah, until late Tuesday night, spring will officially start then. So temperatures are running some 15 to 20 degrees above average. Upper 70s right around the low 80s. And it wasn't far from a record. We're 1 degree shy. At 82, the high at level field, just shy of the record from 2012, which was 83. Low this morning, 48, not far off from average for this time of year. So the air is very dry. You get that large fluctuation in temperature. Well, as you go through the night, humidity levels going up. And with that, more clouds drifting in from the west. So it's going to be quiet throughout the evening and really most of the night quiet. Till we get to the early pre-night hours of Friday, this is the line of storms that we're watching. It's going to make it very active across this part of the country from, say, Memphis and Asheville westward into the Plains states. As far as the risk of severe storms overnight, a higher threat west of Nashville. For us, a low-end level 1 threat, and the main risk being some damaging wind gusts. Now, this threat level goes through 8 o'clock tomorrow morning. Then it picks up for Friday. Either way, this just shows you that from the pre-dawn hours to the morning hours Friday, all of our viewing areas under that level 1 risk that a few storms could be strong to severe. The timing will be roughly between, say, 5 a.m., about 9 to 10 a.m., west to east. So again, that arrival, these are all Eastern times along the plateau, 5 to 7 a.m., and then right in the heart of the morning commute time, potentially first thing tomorrow morning, Chattanooga, Cleveland, and Dalton, then a little farther east between 7 and 9 a.m. The main threats at this point, damaging wind gusts. The tornado threat is low. It's always not zero, but right now it is very low. We'll always watch that. But a threat of damaging wind gusts ahead of a squall line and excessive runoff will be that issue as we head through tomorrow morning. The reason why we are weather alert. We've been talking about that since yesterday. So our short range model shows again, we go through midnight, very quiet, a few isolated showers prior to 5 a.m. But this shows potentially around 5 to 6 a.m. Eastern time, right along the plateau, showers starting to move in. And then again, just before 7 a.m., right near the heart of downtown, pressing eastward. So 7 to 8, very active, which is also a very congested time for traffic. And then potentially 8 to 9 a.m. for areas from Dalton to Murphy and east. After this point, the rain continues, but the severe threat will kind of die down a bit. Then we're mainly concerned about excessive runoff. The rest of that first half of the day, showers tapering off into the afternoon hours. As far as how much rain we could receive, anywhere between 3/4 of an inch to about 1.5 inches is possible, but some isolated higher amounts. Notice some of those around 2 inches. So again, minor flooding could be a potential, especially tomorrow morning. That's why we alert for the first half of the day. You get to the afternoon, shower chances on the wane. Otherwise, clouds lingering and highs around 65 to 70. Now that leads us into the weekend, where Saturday will be dry. Clouds early, then partly sunny. A few passing showers for St. Patrick's Day, but nothing all day. Then it's breezy, much cooler heading into early next week. 29 degrees on Tuesday morning. Spring begins later that night, Tuesday night. So winter going out with one last cold morning before spring begins.
All right, David Glenn, thank you. Right now, look at